Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to separate muddy water. We'll explore practical methods to transform cloudy, turbid water into clearer liquid. This process is essential for many applications, from emergency preparedness to simple home experiments. You'll learn about techniques that leverage gravity and physical barriers to remove suspended solids, making your water much cleaner. Let's dive in and discover how easy it can be to achieve clearer water. Our first step involves sedimentation and decantation. Simply let the muddy water sit undisturbed in a container for several hours, perhaps even overnight. Gravity will do most of the work, pulling the heavier mud particles down. You might observe a clear layer forming at the top, sometimes as much as 3/4 of the total volume. Once settled, carefully pour the cleaner water into another container, leaving the settled mud at the bottom. This removes a significant amount of the larger impurities. Next, we move to filtration, a powerful method for further purification. You can create a basic filter using common materials like a clean cloth, sand, and gravel. Layer these in a funnel or a cut plastic bottle. The cloth acts as a coarse filter, followed by layers of fine sand, then coarser sand, and finally gravel. Water passes through these layers, trapping progressively smaller particles. This multi-stage approach can remove particles down to a few microns in size, yielding much clearer water. For even better results, consider using a coagulant like alum, which helps tiny particles clump together, speeding up sedimentation. Just a small pinch, about 1/8 of a teaspoon per gallon, can make a big difference. Remember, while these methods clarify water, they don't necessarily make it safe to drink without further purification, such as boiling for 1 minute. By combining sedimentation, decantation, and filtration, you can achieve remarkably clear water for various non-potable uses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.